Penguins like swimming and playing in water. They are excellent swimmers and love being in the water. Their streamlined bodies and strong flippers make them perfect for diving and darting around underwater to catch fish. They can also be playful in the water, often seen chasing each other, diving, and jumping out in playful bursts. Some species can stay underwater for several minutes, reaching impressive speeds and depths. Seagulls are highly skilled at swimming and catching fish in various water bodies, such as oceans, seas, and lakes. While typically seen soaring or scavenging along shorelines, seagulls can also swim proficiently, thanks to their webbed feet, which aid them in paddling through the water. When hunting, they often skim the surface or dive just beneath to catch fish or small marine creatures. White pelicans are large, majestic birds, known for their graceful flight and distinctive appearance. They have bright, white plumage, a large wingspan, and black-tipped wings. They have a long orange or pinkish beak with a large throat pouch used for catching fish. Unlike brown pelicans that dive for fish, white pelicans usually hunt by cooperatively herding fish into shallow waters, scooping them up with their large pouches. White pelicans often swim in formation when hunting, creating a semicircle or line to guide fish towards shallower areas where the fish are more accessible. They paddle in synchrony, which helps concentrate the fish in one area and makes it easier for each pelican to catch them. As they reach the targeted area, each pelican dips its head underwater, using its long bill and expandable throat pouch to scoop up fish along with water. This pouch can hold a significant amount of water and fish, which helps the pelican capture multiple fish at once. A stork is a tall, long-legged bird with a long neck and a straight, pointed beak. They are often seen near wetlands, rivers, and lakes, where they hunt for fish, frogs, and other small animals. Storks are known for their large nests, which they often build on tall trees, chimneys, or poles. They return to the same nest year after year, repairing and adding to it. Female storks typically lay 2 to 5 white eggs. Both the male and female take turns incubating the eggs, keeping them warm and safe. When the chicks hatch, they are small and covered in soft, downy feathers both parents feed them by regurgitating food into their beaks. After learning to fly and hunt for themselves, the young storks eventually leave the nest, joining other storks in their natural habitat. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share.